Hello, I saw your question in the email. You want to figure out 1.2% of 2.8. So let's look at the percent part first. 1.2%, percent means per 100. And so, if you drop the percent, it means per 100, it means divide by 100. And so this equals 0.012. A lot of people know that you just drop the percent, you move decimal 2 places to the left, and you add a 0 as needed. So 1.2% is same as 0.012. And if we come back here, we work this, so we got 0.012, and of means multiply. So if we take 0.012 and you multiply it by 2.8, I just used a calculator, and that's 0.0336. Now it looks like they want the final answer in percent, so I guess we got to put the percent back on. So we just we move the decimal 2 places to the right, and we got 3.36%. So I guess I'm getting an A for this. I don't know where this comes from. Now that bar probably means repeating. The 3/6 repeats. It doesn't look like it's repeating. And I guess I converted it to decimal and then reconvert it to percent. Since they wanted the final answer, if I was looking ahead, since they wanted the final answer in percent, it seemed to me you could have just multiplied the 1.2 times the 2.8. And since the final answer is in percent, looks like we probably could have just skipped changing to decimal and then back and forth. That actually would have saved a little time. I just wasn't paying attention that the final answer is in percent. So I see it as A. That bar would mean the 3/6 is repeating, which it's not. It's terminating. Hope it helps.